this. Dr. Brady, it's going down.
What's up? Welcome. We're with Shang Forbes.
Yes, this is Shang Forbes about to get a little nitro.
We're gonna get laughing gassed up.
Laughing gassed up. We're laughing
We're gonna clean your teeth today, right?
Yes, we're gonna clean our
Now
teeth.
you said you've been on Nitrous before.
I've been on Nitrous, and it was quite a ride.
And you like it?
Yes.
This is gonna be fun.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. But if we crank it up too fast, too high, too soon, trust me, I can get you puking.
Yeah. You're gonna spew on Brady.
All you're doing, Shang, is just breathing in. This is kind of a very chill part of the program. Not a lot's going on.
Oh God, yeah. Get that party going.
Here we go.
Shot. Oh my God.
It'll be fine.
Move towards the light, Shane.
I get that all the
Move towards
time.
the light.
If you hold my hand, I'll be okay.
Hey man, do I sound like that man?
Did I really?
Let's go to Vegas,
Hey, man. You know what? Vegas is a great place, baby.
I remember this one hooker named Sylvia Candy. She was a wicked one. Glad my wife didn't find out. But oh, teesh.
What we're using is an ultrasonic scaler, which vibrates really, really fast. So I don't have to like scrape against your teeth to get plaque off. This thing just blasts it right off.
You know, like close, like a straw. Like,
Suckle.
There you go.
What's happening?
Okay.
So you gotta close your lips like a straw. There you go. That got difficult for a second.
Yeah. Okay. All right then.
Okay, let's move on.
I feel a little bit.
You're feeling good.
This is different. I'm sorry. Okay, what did we do
You're
next?
good, man. Okay, open big. The cool thing about Nitrous is as soon as we take the mask off, within a minute or two, you're back to normal.
Oh, good.
100%.
That's no fun.
Well,
That's not
it's
That's why they get you hooked.
it's preferable to like alcohol, which obviously, the more messed up you get, the more you pay for it later, right?
Screw you, Spanos! Screw you. Yeah. You got great tattoos, bro.
I'm over here, man.
You're over there.
It's all good. You know what's weird? It's like this weird, like, different plane. I feel like I'm part of the Matrix, but at the same time,
You might be.
I'm not. I'm part of the Matrix, but I'm not.
Take the
But-
blue pill. Take the blue pill.
The blue pill, if you take the blue pill, yeah. That's
Is that the one you want to take, or is it the red one?
I don't know which
It's
one.
one of
But
those
you remember
two.
that movie?
Yeah, it was the red one.
It was the red
I
one.
took
I
both
just
this
watched
morning.
it.
I took
I
both.
know, if you take the red pill, but it's weird feel. This thing is, it's like a weird kind of, I don't know what I'm saying.
It's like you took the red pill.
Yeah, it's like, if you take this pill, but if you don't, you end up.
Do your best Lord's fishbowl.
Exactly. I know, if you take the blue pill, you'll be here. If you take the red pill, you'll be naked. Standing in a bookstore in Portland.
Yeah.
In Portland.
Weird feeling.
like how so?
It just, I feel, I don't know, I feel like I'm,
like floaty?
yeah, I don't know, it's like I'm paddling in a sea of pudding. Like if you were, if
Sounds amazing.
all right, Bill Cosby, slow down.
Not to see a pudding of young girls. What?
Too soon, man. It's too
What
soon.
you
Yeah,
turned
anyway,
it? Why'd
too
you
soon.
turn it creepy, R. Kelly?
You went pudding.
Thanks a lot. Thanks, R. Kelly, Pedro. I've never done any drugs. I need to start doing drugs. Hello.
I'm glad that that's the takeaway from our visit today.
I know.
Didn't touch my nipple. I don't care. Like let it go.
We usually don't need to touch nipples.
Yeah.
There was a dentist who got arrested because he was treating TMJ. That's your joint up here, doing breast massages on ladies.
Are you kidding?
So that's not a thing. And
What?
And then they all started like somehow one of them started talking, and then all these other ladies like came out and said, "Oh, he did that to me too." So he was like feeling them up, saying it's good
for.
It's good for your TMJ joint.
Legend.
Yeah. He doesn't practice dentistry anymore.
Yeah, it's good for another joint, but not that joint.
Okay.
He's so eager.
Yeah, so when they try to heckle me, it's like I'm on the 2 other jokes, you silly bitches.
Then shut up. It's just this makes you feel like this. Like I feel like
The
that.
pudding.
I feel like I'm at the the festival, fire festival.
Everybody in the fire.
You look like you have this
No, because I don't. Yeah, I need to start drinking.
Okay. Again, I'm glad that's the takeaway. I'm glad I can contribute
Have
that.
you ever drank?
Changing lives.
All the time.
Oh, okay.
She's
No.
drunk now.
I drank once, and that's like 21 years ago, and I had a kid. So I thought. You understand how strange that was? I'm not kidding. That's strange.
You know what? I'm gonna put these in every room in my house. It's like, what is that? That's my nitrous.
How was it, man? How'd it go?
This was.
You recommend it to all your friends?
You know what? I recommend this to everybody that's alive. No, it was. I really. It's crazy that I could tell when I started going. Wait a minute. This is odd. And then shut up. And he's over there like, yeah, this is. I could feel it. That's true. I feel more now. I feel a little bit more. Get back to you. I feel like this now, but I didn't feel like this. I feel like, hey, who wants to rub Jello on your buttocks? That's how I really felt. Like it feels like kind of.
It's euphoria. It's a euphoric type of. That's the
Where
goal.
I just felt like, woo.
Yeah.
I heard house music in my head, and I listen to metal. But I listen, so that really is different because I heard like kind of dun, 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 but that wait till you this.
I can't wait.
We're going to transition and get Pedro going next, but
Ready?
Shang Forbes, thank you so much.
This was one
For
of
being
a
here.
very different experience for me.
Glad to catch you as you're driving through Portland.
Yeah.
This is awesome.